Still checking if the place still cold. Moving in a way, no place, no snow. Straight chillin' with my niggas that shiver. Thinking about South Lake, thoughts on the river. Move back, nigga, move back, nigga. Fake Jordan, that's whack ass bitch, nigga. I come back with 11 damn shots. I claim this city and I take your spot. Stay thinking about a white one, thinking about a bright sun that I changed straight from the dark shit. No tape when I'm playing with the black gun, nigga. You ain't never been a god since the last run. No stats in the place that show. A lot of niggas tell me that I never really own. Track to the place, back, nigga. Tell me that I'm like a nigga, but my flow sicker. Calling, I'm calling, shit, yeah. Dressed like a motherfucking god when I reach the spot. Niggas always tell me that I made it from the empty slot. Change ways, niggas, no truth, no fly. Fuck a wet brand, no top, no spot. Chase all day to the thoughts in the back. Put my niggas fuck bitches in the back of the cab. Claim riches, but a nigga been whack. Never talk, boy, with your fake ass stack. Cash, talking about cash, nigga. When I throw that shade, catch, nigga. Last time when I talk to a man, well shit. Run quick, slash for the neck, nigga. Know I gotta make it out the cold for the best show. Please don't try, never show my back. Bitch, don't cry, just move that tag. That's trash, thought I'd never really say this. All my music on my ex-bitch playlist. Bitches say 613, that's the greatest. But I never see no niggas ever famous. Facts, boy, leg boy, trash boy. 10 fake babe, pretty face ass boy. Know I tell these niggas that I never do shit, but my thoughts never sit, so I'm never not slick, nigga. Watch me leave this place you stay. Think about the fault you made. Change the fucking shit you say. I may be back another day.
Dropped out of college like fuck it. I need this shit by tomorrow. Just drunk this whole goddamn bottle, man. Tell my little sisters I'm not a role model. Wait, what the fuck am I saying? I am the perfect role model. The nigga just followed his dreams. Even Dr. King would tell you niggas I got it like magic, I got it. I'm like a sub, you niggas don't want no problems. I'm after these M's, I'm not talking McDonald's. 10,000 tomorrow, I'm spitting like spirals. Yeah, the coldest and hottest, my sweater is sleeveless. The saltiest season for niggas who do not believe in this shit that I'm preaching. I'm only 19 and the best in my region. You Regis just talking. These bitch niggas fleeing, I'm holding your leashes. These niggas is leeches. I'm running this bitch, here's a couple of treats. I'm not playing, I'm all in the bleachers. I'm not a role model. 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 What the fuck am I saying? I am a role model. Only got him, came from the bottom. Couldn't stay at the bottom. The flow so damn hollow, man. Give me some space, blasting off by tomorrow. Look, your newest rival. This shit going viral. Rockin' power, I'm automatically killing these niggas. I'm Jason, I've been being patient. The illest one waiting. I'm tired of saying this shit. I'm tired of saying this shit. Super saying this shit. The way that I'm shining, the best in Atlanta, the best in America, Canada, probably. This shit isn't stopping. John Legend with rhyming, got all of these fucking green lights in my future as bright as some lightning. I'm meeting these rappers, Pac-Man in his prime, just remember the Titan. My shit is the tightest, Mary co-signed it, I'm probably not signing. I hate my handwriting, was eating top rhyming before I was buzzing. Now this is my light, yeah, I told you I got it. I told you I got it. Promise I got it. I promise look, I'm not a